Ever wondered how to breathe new life into your Hallicrafters SX-25 Super Defiant? Well, today I'll be guiding you on how to perform an RF alignment on this vintage gem. RF alignment, for those unfamiliar with the term, refers to the process of adjusting the built-in adjustable capacitors to bring the equipment back to its original factory specifications. This is a crucial process, especially for vintage tech like the Hallicrafters SX-25. Over time, electronic components age and change in value, which can significantly impair the performance of the receiver. In some cases, it can reduce the performance so drastically that all you hear is static. So, today's mission is to not only improve the receiver's reception, but also to increase its sensitivity, thus enhancing its ability to pick up distant stations from around the world and transforming your receiver into a hot receiver. To accomplish this mission, we'll be following the manual closely, going over key points and discussing best practices. Although this guide is tailored for the Hallicrafters SX-25, the principles and methods apply to most Hallicrafters receivers or receivers from the same era, with a few exceptions. Now you might be thinking that radio and TV alignment requires sophisticated equipment like sweep generators, signal markers, and oscilloscopes. While these tools can certainly make the job easier, even the most intricate AM radio can be aligned well with basic off-the-shelf test gear and a few simple tricks. For those of you just starting out with vintage radio repair, don't be discouraged if you don't have high-end test gear. Sometimes you can find excellent equipment at affordable prices online. What's more important is the know-how, the desire, and of course, the passion for vintage tech. As we delve into the process, remember to take your time. If things don't work out the first, second, or even third time, don't be discouraged. Often it's a matter of watching this guide several times, pausing and following along with your receiver. Always use the right tools, and avoid cutting corners. Today's guide is just a starting point, a stepping stone towards mastering your Hallicrafters receiver. It's a journey that will hopefully inspire you to explore the fascinating world of vintage DIY tube audio. In conclusion, RF alignment is an essential process for maintaining and enhancing the performance of your Hallicrafters SX-25 Super Defiant. It's a process that requires patience and precision, but the reward is worth the effort. By following these steps, you'll be able to restore your vintage receiver to its former glory, ensuring it continues to pick up those distant stations and keeps the spirit of vintage tech alive. So gear up and let's make your receiver an amazing one.